This is my dog's office. So let's you guys his name tag. And we made him his own little computer right here. An iCorgi. Really cheap. For $2. And then we have his little bucket of candy. He loves it. And he ruins his little station. He's like, I don't know. He has Mira. And we have his own iPhone. Let me unlock that for you. And then, looks like now sitting right next to me. Let me show you guys it. This video. Look, this video. Oh. This is one of those videos. Want you to watch? Spot, come here. Let me see. Hey, now he's looking at it. Who's that dog? Who's that dog? It's you! That's the dog. It's you. Yeah, sorry about that. Guys, look at his case. You guys, look at his iPhone case. It's Doggo. Why am I? Yeah, there we go. iPhone case. Phone stand. Yeah. And here's your magnificent chair. Let's show you guys a doggo. A doggo is so happy. You would it just finished. We're putting Spot on the camera. Like we're showing Spot opening it. He's like licking it. He does have 4 legs though. If you're wondering. You didn't see that other leg, it's because he has 4 legs. Okay. I just gave Spot his dog treat. I want more! Give me more dog treats. Look, come here. Like, I'm stuck here. So, our little business doggo. So, you guys, let us rename our channel to the Magic Doggo. We might rename our channel. But our channel is a good channel. But we're still working if we should rename it or should not rename it. And see you guys in the next one. Spot! Spot! Look! Spot! Say bye! Say bye!